What is Newton in Canada? Hook, have you ever wondered what a Newton is in Canada? It's not a person, a place, or a thing. Well, not exactly. It's a unit of measurement. But not just any unit, it's one that's unique to the Great White North. Context: let's dive into the history and significance of the Newton in Canada. It all starts with Sir Isaac Newton, the legendary English physicist, mathematician, and astronomer. You probably know him for his laws of motion and gravity, but did you know his work also laid the foundation for the metric system? The metric system in Canada, being part of the British Commonwealth, originally used the imperial system of measurement. However, in the late 1970s, the country began a gradual transition to the metric system. This switch was part of a broader international effort to standardize measurement units. Introducing the Newton. So, where does the Newton fit into the story? Well, the Newton is the unit of force in the metric system. It's named after Sir Isaac Newton in recognition of his contributions to the study of motion and force. Understanding the Newton. To understand the Newton, let's break it down. A Newton is equal to the force required to accelerate a 1 kilogram mass at a rate of 1 meter per second squared. In simpler terms, it's the amount of force needed to push a 1 kilogram object with enough force to make it accelerate at a rate of 1 meter per second every second. Newton in everyday life. You might be wondering how the Newton is relevant in your daily life. While you may not think about it directly, the Newton plays a crucial role in many aspects of Canadian society. For example, engineers use the Newton to calculate the forces acting on structures, such as bridges and buildings. Architects use it to determine the loads that floors and walls can support. Even your car's engine power is measured in newtons. Newton and the Canadian automotive industry. Canada has a thriving automotive industry, and the Newton is an essential unit of measurement in this sector. Car manufacturers use the Newton to measure the torque produced by engines, which is a key factor in determining a car's acceleration and power. Newton in sports. Sports fans might also be interested to know that the Newton is used in various sports. In track and field, athletes' performance in events like long jump and shot put is often measured in newtons. In sports like hockey and football, the force of a hit or tackle can also be expressed in newtons. The Newton and Canadian science. Of course, the Newton is indispensable in the field of science. Canadian scientists use the Newton to study a wide range of phenomena, from the behavior of atoms to the forces at play in the universe. The Newton and Canadian culture. While the Newton may not be as well known as some other units of measurement, it has become an integral part of Canadian culture. It's a symbol of the country's commitment to science, technology, and innovation. The future of the Newton. As Canada continues to embrace the metric system, the Newton is likely to become even more prevalent in everyday life. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of Sir Isaac Newton and his groundbreaking work. Conclusion. So, the next time you hear someone mention a Newton in Canada, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. It's a unit of force that plays a vital role in our society, from engineering and architecture to sports and science. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.